Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage sambar. Start by prepping cabbage into bite-sized pieces and rinsing tur dal until water runs clear. Soak tamarind briefly and measure your sambar powder and spices to keep flavors balanced. Chop onions and tomatoes and set aside mustard seeds and curry leaves for tempering. Having everything ready makes cooking smooth and efficient and helps the sambar develop deep, layered flavors. Boil the tur dal until it breaks down fully and becomes creamy. This creates the hearty backbone of the sambar. While it cooks, watch the pot and remove any foam so the dal stays light and smooth. When dal is tender, mash slightly and set aside. Reserve some cooking liquid to adjust thickness later. A well-cooked dal blends with spices and vegetables to give a satisfying, silky sambar texture. Sauté onions and tomatoes until softened, then add cabbage and a pinch of salt to help it release moisture and cook evenly. Stir in sambar powder and pour in tamarind liquid, letting the flavors meld as the cabbage becomes tender but not mushy. Combine the cooked dal with the vegetable mix, adjust salt and water, and finally pour a hot tempering of mustard seed, curry leaf, and dry chili.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.